which way's the parking?
That way.
Thank you. Woo!
There's the market.
This water's big one.
Space over there. Oh no, they're disabled. Is there room in there?
I don't think so. No space in there, is there?
No. This is all private property. No parking spares. This land is private property.
No parking spaces, will there?
This is private property here. We'll go round again.
I'll go into that car park and see, but there must be another car park somewhere. We'll just keep driving round, yeah? We'll keep driving round till we find one, yeah? Here somewhere, maybe? 30 minutes. Parking there, what's that saying?
decision, pretty certain going to do this, that they're going to say to care home workers, care home staff, that you must have the COVID vaccine or you're out of work. Now, even care home managers, some of them think this is pretty brutal, but you will be able to challenge a member of staff and say, prove you've had the vaccine. There are, in some other homes, there are, not quite half the care home staff, but a good proportion are just saying no to the vaccine. They will not now be allowed to, and we love your thoughts on that, particularly if you work in a care home, or maybe you have mum or dad in one. Then, the weather's changing, the climate is changing. We know that we've had some hotter, sunnier days than we were used to 30 years ago, and then we've got floods and we've got weird winters and so on. How do we equip our homes? Should we start, for example, putting shutters on windows like the French do? Would you put aircon in if you could afford it, but then isn't that anti-climate? So we discussed the difficulty of bracing ourselves for big changes in the weather. We're going to talk about Self-Organized Sisters, a fantastic campaigning organisation with a history going back to the 70s.
Oh, here's some well like that.
Black and minority ethnic women who have found themselves just not being listened to. They've got a fascinating story. And then, have you ever accidentally buried the wrong pet?
No. I ain't going to fit down there, am I?
To someone on the team. We became aware of a situation where it hasn't happened to you. I don't know. I'm not sure how this is going to
you're not going to do it.
It's also happened now in Warrington, and this involved a motorway accident, and a 16-year-old cat was cremated, and then the owners discovered it wasn't their cat because he came home after being apparently buried. So, if you buried the wrong pet, you can explain to us how that happened. Email vine@bbc.co.uk. We're on in about half an hour.
Other likely occurrences from 12 o'clock.
Oh, we just come up here. That's the car park down there, we just come up. Well, we're buggered basically. A little bit out of town, but
where is it? Up here.
can I sit there?
That's McDonald's there. It's that place.
Oh, Love Lane. Oh, 253 is how many places probably. Here we are, we're okay. Oh, and look, it's got a height restriction.
Oh, you're joking.
No, 7 foot.
Well, Simon puts it
Oh, this one's open. Ah, no, you can park here, look.
That's the pay on the
Go on then, just try and contact them.